Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I am going to show my visit to IKEA store in Edinburgh. IKEA is one-stop shop for your home. Whatever the items you need for your living room, kitchen, bathroom, garden, you name it, it's available in IKEA. I started my journey to IKEA from Edinburgh city centre. Bus number 47 will directly go near IKEA bus stop. It takes between 30 to 45 minutes to reach IKEA store from Edinburgh city centre. I'm visiting IKEA after a year, so I'm very excited. We reached IKEA. You can see the play area here for kids. This IKEA store is outside city. It's really huge. Let's go inside and start taking tour. IKEA store is basically ground floor and first floor. Ground floor is totally dedicated to kitchen items, lights, rugs, and all other scents and other things. So the first floor is all about showrooms. You will have all the basic kitchen and living room, bedroom, and bathroom setup, which you can visit and have some idea. So when we visit this showroom area, there are lots of items, which is if you see the bathroom, all the bathroom necessity items are kept. Either you can pick the small items, or you can make a note of all the product number and the price details, and you can make a purchase at the end of your tour. So friends, whenever you enter into the showroom of IKEA, each space is made uniquely. All the items are from IKEA itself, and you can see a variety of designs. So let me open this fridge and show it to you. Everything is neatly organized, just like your ideal home. Wherever you go, you literally find everything that you require for that space. Look at this beautiful small kitchen. It really feels like home, isn't it? When you look around, you will see curry pot, mug, salad bowl, books, and so many other things. Also, it will give some kind of idea how you can arrange your kitchen and make most use of it. Not only the kitchen, they will also arrange living room, bathroom, kids room, and garden. Along with all these big items like kitchen, beds, and sofa, you will also see small items like carpets, small play area, and cupboards, and so many other things. Each room is tastefully decorated. You can see all these curtains and bed sheets. These all are very nice quality and also in reasonable price. IKEA also has its own website. You can go there and shop whatever the item you want. Also, in-store visit also gives a lot of idea of rearranging your kitchen and living room. Most of the items you see here are meant for DIY. If you purchase items which requires assembly or installation, IKEA also provides a service of assembly. So friends, let's walk around for a few minutes and see the setup. So friends, we reached somewhere near dining area. You can see the variety of dining tables and chairs. Speciality is many of the dining tables are foldable and it suits your small homes. We reach the bedroom section where you can see pillows, mattress and bed frame. They start from the basic range to till the expensive ones. Also all types of beds, single, double, king and super king sizes are also available. In-store assistance is also available in the showroom. These colleagues will help you understand the range and also the quality and also available features for these products. There are also kiosks installed inside. For example, I am showing this screen. It's just like computer. You can just access all the items that you want and also understand the price and is it available or not available. So friends, next section is all about kids play, kids bedding and a soft toys area. There are variety of soft toys available in basic range. There are items such as kids toys, bed sheets and organizers are really at its lowest price and you will get the best deal here in IKEA. So we finished visiting all the showroom area. Let's go downstairs and see what's available in there. There is also a cafe inside the store. We couldn't go to the cafe and eat anything there because it was already full. If you're planning to have something inside the cafe, you need to book a table well in advance. We are at ground floor kitchen section, finding is there anything available for our use. Let me tell you guys, all this section has variety of basic items, mugs, plates, bakery items, utensils, chopping board, chopping sticks, so many things. So you will get its lowest price. For example, these cutleries are available 1 pound, 2 pounds and you will also see plastic boxes and plastic containers, glass containers which are at lowest price like 2 pounds or 3 pounds. Other interesting thing is there are so many throws and cushions, pillows available in different sizes and colors. There is also interior design service available in the IKEA store. You can inquire about it if you want. It's almost 65 pounds based on the room size. I think it's a good idea to go for it if you are thinking to rearrange or makeover for your apartment. There's a whole section on wardrobe organizers. You will get installable organizers which is slightly at higher range, but you will also get non-installable which is kind of boxes or kind of shelves which is basically at lowest price. So friends, we are now reaching lighting section in IKEA. All these beautiful lights will really make a difference to your opinion about lightings. We got good lamps at 10 pounds. It's really worth it. Next comes the carpet and rug section. You will find the basic ones as well as the vintage and colorful ones. There are also decorative artificial plants available as well as you will see the live plants. There is also a sale on this IKEA plants. It starts from the lowest price 2 pounds, 3 pounds and 5 pounds. You will see bonsai, lot of decorative plants as well as flowering plants. Next comes the aroma candle section. You will find variety of aroma candles starting from 1.75 pounds. I will guarantee you friends, once you visit this section, you will never go empty handed. There are at least 2 to 3 variety of aroma candles you will pick from here. So this is the last section friends. Once you come to the end of all your purchases, big items will be given to you based on the product numbers you have mentioned, and the small items you need to pick from the store and you pay at the end. There is also home delivery and assembly services available. That's all for today friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.